you, Mickey. Happy marriage anniversary. मैरिज एनिवर्सरी की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। तुम लोग को जोड़ी सलामत रहे। हमें भगवान से यही प्रार्थना है, बाबा विश्वनाथ से, तुम लोग खूब खुश रहो, आगे बढ़ो, बच्चे आगे बढ़े, खूब खुशी से रहो, यही मेरी आशीर्वाद है।
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mickey and Rajiv. Oh, now that your silver jubilee is around the corner, we are feeling very, very depressed and bad that we are not by your side and missing that grand gala event to be hosted by Rajiv and Mickey. Let me rewind you back by 25 years. 25 years ago, I knew my little brother-in-law. He was a naughty, smiling young chokra who got entangled with a nice, smart, beautiful girl from Ranchi. They both blossomed into a young couple, and then they grew up into a nice little family of two young boys. एक अपना लंबा चौड़ा छोकरा मनु सिंह एंड उससे भी लंबा स्मार्ट कैसनोवा हमारा यश बाबा. Oh, over the course of years, Mickey, you graduated from a young, beautiful lady into a very adorable, lovable mom. And my Saleh Saab, you become from that smiling beauty to a very adorable and a loving father. Both of you have had this innings, a long innings, in a very, very eventful manner. You have the best of the world, best of children, and you have made the best of your life. We really feel very proud of you as our family member and our most youngest couple of the family so far. Of course, now you have been taken over by the youngest couple, Kitab by Sri Arnav Singh. But still,
now I become elder.
yes, but still, both of you are the most charming couple going around,
Charming,
both
yeah.
in
Charming,
Varanasi,
and
India, and
beautiful.
abroad in UK too. I wish you both a very, very, very happy Silver Jubilee. How I wish we could be there. We'll really miss you on that date. And I hope you have a grand event. And of course, then you start batting for the Golden Jubilee. Okay? Both Mickey and Rajiv, here's Madhu and Rinal wishing you a very, very, very happy silver wedding anniversary. And to our darling bachas also, may they make your event a grand success. Okay? Bye-bye to one and all the friends you are around. Hi, hello, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar. Have a great day and a good evening. And may Rajiv and Manisha look after you all. Bye-bye with all the love, all the felicitations and all the blessings from Rinal and Madhu. Bye-bye.
Mickey and Rajiva wish you a very, very happy marriage anniversary. May God bless the lovely couple. Really miss both of you. Would have loved to be there in person, wishing you on this beautiful, momentous occasion. Just remember those lovely days when both of you used to go on that mobike and Rajiva taking you out. And today 25 years have gone, we have two lovely children, and now it's such a pleasure remembering back those old days when you had the first crush and the way you wanted Mickey in your life. And really she has proved lucky for you, and hope that in the years to come both of you have a very, very happy married life.
Hi Mickey, Bhaiya. Many happy returns of your anniversary. Congratulations. Have a great day and a lovely evening ahead. I still remember those lovely days. I was just married, came in, and then started the bride hunting for Rajiv and Mickey. Remember me walking into your room to find out where is asking one of your friends' roommates to see, and I wanted to see who you were and what you looked like, and of course Jar fell for you on the first sight. And Bhaiya, as usual, was all gaga about you. He used to throw mummy and me out of the room to have a telephone chat. You remember that? Have a lovely day ahead. We've had a lovely time together. We are only 1 year senior to you. But yes, have a great time and may we celebrate the 50th again with you. Lovely day. Have a lovely day and God bless you.
My sweet wish for my most romantic couple of our family, Romeo and Juliet,
Wish you a very, 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 very big 25th anniversary to you. Hope you guys enjoying your day. You're the most fabulous, adorable, touchword, awesome couple I ever met till now. And you're the most different couple in our family. You have beaten everyone. Doesn't look like seeing you that you had an arranged marriage. You always had a love marriage from my side. And couple like you should parade to the street so the whole world can see what exactly a true love is like. You really give the example of a true love. You guys meant for each other and hope like this. I can see the same thing in your 50th. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Chatu Chachi. Happy anniversary. I really, really wish I could be there, but sadly I can't. Please lobby to the British government कि Shenzhen area में लंदन को भी ले इंग्लैंड को भी ले आए तो मैं भी आ पाऊँ. At least I hope I'll be there for the next anniversary. Happy anniversary again. Hope you have a great time. Bye.
Pranam Chachu, Pranam Chachi. Happy anniversary.
Wish you a very, very happy anniversary. So, Mami and Mamu, the one couple which I've always used to, bring out the envy in all my friends. And yes, the most adorable couple in the family I know, loved by all, and quite rightly so. And thank you, Mama, Mami. You are the one perfect source of inspiration for us to aspire to be a couple like you are. So thank you for being the way you are, and please be there the same way for many, many years to come. Wish you a very happy anniversary and looking forward to the 50th now.
Hello, Mama Mami ji. Wish you a very, very happy anniversary. Like as Arnav rightly said, you are the most adorable, good-looking, and very, very fun-loving couple. And thank you for everything, making me feel so welcome, warmly welcomed in the family. For all the gifts, not just because there were lots of gifts, but the way they were being chosen. Thank you for everything. Wish you a very happy anniversary.
बहुत serious बात. Bye bye. See you. Party hard.